In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote to Notion. Start by opening Notion in your browser and make sure you're already signed into the workspace where you want your Evernote notes to go. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Notion dashboard. From here, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on your profile or workspace name. This opens the main menu for your account and workspace options. In that menu, click Settings to open your workspace settings window. When the Settings panel appears, look along the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Import section, then click on it. This area is where Notion lets you bring in content from other platforms. After that, you'll see a list of services you can import from. Scroll through the available options and choose Evernote. As soon as you select it, Notion will begin the connection process. If you've connected an Evernote account before, you may be able to select it right away. If not, click the option to connect Evernote. Next, Notion will ask you to authorize the connection. You may be given a choice for how long the authorization should stay active, such as a shorter period or up to 1 year. Pick the duration you prefer, then click Authorize to continue. If your browser opens an Evernote sign-in page, go ahead and log into your Evernote account there if prompted. Once you approve access, the connection between Evernote and Notion will be established. When that's done, Notion will let you choose what you want to import. You can select from your existing notes, or use the search bar to find specific notes or notebooks if you only want certain content moved over. This is useful if you don't want to bring in everything at once. Before you start the import, decide where the notes should appear inside Notion. You can place them into a new area or import them into an existing page or database depending on how you want your workspace organized. Click on the Import Location option and choose the destination that makes the most sense for your setup. Once you've selected the location, click Continue. Now Notion will begin importing your Evernote content. You'll usually see a progress bar while the transfer is happening, depending on how many notes, attachments, and images you have. This can take anywhere from a few moments to a bit longer. During this part, just let the import finish completely. Once the process is done, you should see a message confirming that the import is complete. There will usually be an option like Go to Import, and you can click that to jump directly to the imported content. Your Evernote notebooks and notes should now appear as new pages or inside the location you selected in your Notion workspace. Take a moment to open a few imported pages and check that everything came across properly. Look through the text formatting, attachments, tags, and images. If you imported into a database or a specific page, make sure the notes are in the right place and are displaying the way you expect. This quick check helps you catch anything you might want to reorganize right away. At this point, your Evernote notes have successfully been brought into Notion. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a final check, I recommend browsing through a few notebooks and larger notes, especially ones with embedded files or multiple images, just to confirm the import looks clean. In most cases, Notion does a good job preserving the content structure, but it's always smart to verify the details after any migration. If you're moving a lot of material, you may also want to organize the imported pages right away by dragging them into folders, parent pages, or databases that match your workflow. That makes it easier to keep your workspace clean from the start instead of sorting through everything later. And that's it. You've connected Evernote, authorized the import, chosen your notes, selected the destination, and verified that everything arrived in Notion successfully. Now your notes are ready to use in your new workspace.